Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your CEU certificates into your BACB account to keep track and to prove your continuing education. Congratulations upon receiving your BCBA. Every 2 years, you're going to need to recertify your, your license, your BCBA, and prove that you've taken 32 continuing education credits. Of those 32, right now, the guidelines are that 4 have to be ethics and 3 supervision if you supervise RBTs or BCBA BCABA students. So let me get started in how we do that. I'm going to share my screen. So this is the BACB's website, gateway.bacb.com. This is where you're going to log in to see your account. So you're going to enter your email and your password and log in. Once you do that, you'll be able to see up here you have your profile, certification. Over here is continuing education. You're going to hit Manage CEUs. And over here, you can do Add CEU. So if you see here on this dashboard, it keeps adding up the total at the bottom of ethics, supervision, general, and totals. So if you're consistent about uploading your certificates as soon as you earn them, then you'll be able to always go here and see what your totals are as you approach the end of your certification cycle. So you're going to do Add CEU. And in general, you are going to work off of the information given to you by the event coordinator. So people who coordinate continuing education events are called ACE coordinators, accredited continuing education providers for the BCBA. So for the BCBAs. So you can find a provider list on the BACB's website of ACE providers. So if you want to reach out to them, if you have any questions about your certificate, if it didn't come for a long time, or if you have wrong information on it, you can find the ACE provider details on the BACB's website. So that's where also most of the information will come from to enter in here. So you're going to need to put in the CEU type. So on Site Pro, our certificate looks like this. We have all the information on the CEU certificate that you're going to need to enter in here. So I'm just going to move it to the side a bit that you can see both at once. So the CEU types are generally this for CEU events, like a Site Pro course, it will be a learning ACE event. Let me see if I can make this smaller that you can see both. Okay, and you're going to be putting in how many ethics credits, just the number, supervision, and general. Okay, down here is the event title, which is the name of the course. Modality is either live, online, synchronous, or asynchronous. So you can be attending a live conference, you can watch a conference online. If it's at the time that the course is given, they call it synchronous. If it's, let's say on demand later, then that would be asynchronous. The event length is either single day or multiple days, depending on the event. And the ACE provider ID, you'll find that also on the certificate. If you don't see it on the certificate, you can usually look them up on the ACE provider list. And over here is where you're going to have to upload the certificate. You are going to need to upload that PDF. And then you hit save, simply. So the 8-hour supervision course is a little bit different. You cannot supervise BCBA students, BCABA students, or RBTs without your 8-hour supervision course if you're in the first year of your certification, then you are going to need to take it. You can't wait until the end of the 2 years. You need to take it that first year. So that if you want to find ACE providers that provide the 8-hour supervision course, then you can look that up also on the BACB's website, who provides the 8-hour supervision course, and those will count towards your CEUs. You have up until 45 days before your expiration date to submit your CEUs. So don't wait until the last minute to take and upload your CEUs. You will get warnings to your email when you are almost due to recertify, but I've had many experiences as a CEU provider where people reached out to me that they either missed the window of opportunity and they don't know what to do, or they were getting too close and they needed to complete a ton at once, which is obviously not recommended and not very pleasant. So good luck as you go along your journey as a BCBA, and I hope to see you often on Site Pro where we could continue learning together. If you need anything continuing education related, BCBA related, or you have any questions, you can reach out to me. I'm admin@sitepro.com. Talk to you soon.